Welcome to Healthy Care, your go-to channel for health and wellness tips. Today, we're sharing essential ways to cut asthma flare-ups at home. First, let's talk about bed linens. Did you know that dust mites are a common trigger of allergic asthma attacks? These tiny bugs love to burrow in sheets, blankets, and pillows. To keep them at bay, wash your sheets in hot water, about 130 degrees Fahrenheit, at least once a week. Follow up with a hot dryer cycle to ensure all mites are eliminated. Next, cover your mattresses and box springs. Since you can't wash these items, special covers provide a sturdy barrier against dust mites. Choose covers with zippers and seal the zippers with duct tape for added protection. Dust mites hate smooth surfaces. If possible, replace upholstered furniture with wood or vinyl. Hardwood, laminate, or tile floors are easier to clean and less inviting to dust mites. If you keep carpets, vacuum regularly. Speaking of pests, cockroaches are another asthma trigger. Keep them out by storing food in airtight containers, cleaning regularly, and using poison baits or boric acid if needed. Pets can also be problematic. It's not the fur but the dead skin cells, saliva, and urine that trigger asthma. Limit pets to specific areas, keep them out of bedrooms, and bathe them weekly. Children's stuffed toys can harbor dust mites too. Wash these toys regularly or freeze them for 24 hours to kill any mites, then vacuum them. Never let anyone smoke inside your home. Cigarette smoke is a major asthma trigger and can make attacks worse. Even third-hand smoke, residue on clothes and furniture, can be harmful. Avoid wood fires. The smoke contains particles that can trigger asthma attacks. If you must use a fireplace, use only dry logs stored for at least 6 months. Mold is another enemy. Keep your home dry, especially in kitchens, bathrooms, and basements. Use dehumidifiers and fix leaks promptly to prevent mold growth. Finally, choose vacuums and air filters wisely. HEPA filters can reduce allergens in carpets and furniture, but remember, air filters work best in rooms with hard surfaces. By following these tips, you can create a safer, asthma-friendly home environment. Don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Care for more health tips and advice.